Hello and welcome to My Trade TV. I'm Michelle Orr, bringing you the latest news from the locksmith and security industry. Advanced Keys are pleased to announce the launch of the KD200 Key DIY range. 2 months in and orders are rolling in for the new product. It helps reduce stock, gives significant savings and also saves valuable time. They have also released a very helpful application list which can be found on their website. To find out more, take a look at Advanced Keys website or call and speak to Kim and the team. Outpro Hardware, based in Dorset, have added a new fully sealed polycarbonate piezo keypad to their already extensive range of access control products. The unit uses the same technology that is found in the existing Outpro metal vandal-proof slimline keypads and provides the ultimate solution for high-traffic access control, single-door standalone installations. The unit provides an audio and visual feedback via the built-in LEDs and buzzer whenever a PIN number is presented. Guaranteed for over 50 million cycles, the unit has an impressive list of benefits. For more information, take a look at Outpro Hardware website. UAP Limited, leading supplier of door security products, is now offering its customers safety solutions for windows with the launch of the Maximum Security Window Restrictor. Also available as part of the Maximum Security retail range and branded as the Baby and Child Window Safe Restrictor, it comes in eye-catching yellow and black blister packaging with full fitting instructions and fixings. The Maximum Security Window Restrictor will fit all types of windows and even doors, including UPVC, aluminium, wooden and metal profiles. As well as being ideal for the home to keep children safe, it is also a great product for hotels, schools and hospitals. For more information, please visit www.uapcorporate.com. TLJ's standalone keycard locks have proven to be a great success at Booth House in Whitechapel, London. TLJ worked closely with the Essex-based company AI Security throughout the duration of the project. A selection of products were installed, including TLJ Infinity keycard locks on the individual bedroom doors and TLJ access control readers on cluster doors and sliding entrance doors. AI Security installed the full system over a 1-week period, having received prior training from a TLJ engineer. Each lock was commissioned once fitted to the door, enabling the whole project to run smoothly and the property to remain fully open. For more information on the full range of hotel locks, please visit www.tlj-hotellocks.co.uk. UAP has put the 6 into maximum security with the introduction of 6 lever mortise locks to the range of affordable, high-quality door security products. Offering high security has been the emphasis with the maximum security mortise locks. They are 6 lever, which gives them greater security against picking, and they have a unique extended warding developed by renowned locksmiths Chris Belcher and Martin Pink to aid their anti-picks. The Maximum Security mortise locks are ideal for composite and wooden doors and are available with 2 different sized cases, 2.5 inch and 3 inch, and come with either stainless steel faceplates or brass plated plates. For more information on this product, please visit www.uapcorporate.com. Is a key really needed? VBH say not with the Protect ZTA lock range. Hardware supplier VBH has added the automatic locking Mako ZTA multi-point door lock to its range of keyless door locking solutions. Suitable for all Eurogroove doors, ZTA features 3 locking latches, 2 hooks and a central deadbolt. When the door is closed, all 3 latches pull the sash in against the frame, providing compression over the full door height. A magnet in the latch plate then triggers the locking mechanism to engage the deadbolt and hooks. A single turn of the cylinder now renders the door fully secure. More on Mako ZTA locks can be downloaded from www.vbhgb.com or requested from 01634 263 300. The Master Locksmith Association and the Neighbourhood and Home Watch Network have joined forces to produce 500,000 jointly branded stickers. Jim Madden, chairman of the Neighbourhood and Home Watch Network, commented, "We've been working with the MLA for some time now, and this new initiative further cements our relationship." To get your sticker, visit www.ourwatch.org.uk for details of your local neighbourhood watch or home watch representative. Hardware supplier VBH has added the Alpha Patio pull handle to its GreenTech range of suited door and window furniture. VBH advised that inline sliding patio doors can now be suited with resi doors and windows on a whole house installation, as the new handle shares the same design traits of the other components of their GreenTech suite, including the decorative GreenTech groove around the edge of the backplate. The new handle is available in the 6 standard GreenTech finishes of white, black, PVD gold and polished satin and smoky chromes. GreenTech Alpha Patio pull handle suits the popular Rotor and Yale locks and is available with or without a cylinder hole. Blank outer plates are also available. More information can be downloaded from www.vbhgb.com or requested from 01634 263 300. The UK's largest trade exhibition for the locksmithing and security industry is set to be the biggest yet, with 4 major sponsors and more than 70 exhibitors already signed up. Taking place between the 13th to the 15th of September 2013 at the International Centre in Telford, MLA Expo is organised by the leading trade association for the locksmithing profession, the Master Locksmiths Association. The biennial event sees locksmiths and suppliers from across the globe meet to exhibit products and services, discuss industry trends and take part in training courses. Over 1,500 people from all over the globe are expected to attend the 3-day event, with exhibitors and visitors typically ranging from tool suppliers to practising locksmiths, specialists such as heritage and auto locksmiths, manufacturers and suppliers, along with associated companies. Previous exhibitions have seen visitors come from as far afield as Australia, China, continental Europe and the USA. For more information on the Expo, please take a look at the MLA Expo website. UAP Tradelocks, supplier of specialised locksmith tools, is set to make a splash at the MLA Expo with the launch of new tools, a new look website, a new Mortise Lock app and free personalised laser engraving for its customers. Tradelocks will be releasing its brand new Mortise Lock impressioning kit at the show. This will enable locksmiths to make Mortise Lock keys on the go. As well as promoting new tools and products, Tradelocks will also be bringing some old favourites, such as Pink's electric pick gun, second generation and letterbox tool and Belcher's RPCP kit and Super Snapper bar, all at unbelievable show prices. The UAP Tradelocks team are looking forward to seeing you all at the show. Well, that's it for trade news this month. You can find more stories from your trade at www.mytrade.tv. And if you would like to sponsor our newscast to showcase your news stories with us, please get in touch with the team at MyTrade TV. Phone details are on the screen. Alternatively, we would love to hear from you on this email. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.